Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblockcorner.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can download sound effects for your YouTube videos without any copyright. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So there are two ways you can download the YouTube sound effects for your YouTube videos without any copyrights. One is there is a option in your YouTube channel with the name audio library. So YouTube is already providing this as a free feature in your YouTube channel. So you just need to click on audio library and just click on the tab sound effects and search the kind of sound you want to you are looking for. For example, I'm looking for camera. So whatever the collection in YouTube library you will see there. So you can just click on it and listen to the preview of those sound effects, and if you like them, any of them, then you can click on the download and it will be downloaded into your download folder. And that's how you can search for sound effects. It is also available for music as well, copyright free music. But the second way going to talk about for variety of version you are looking for your YouTube videos to add the sound effects. The site name is freesound.org. So I am going to add the link of this website in the description of the video. So just need to search the way you want to download any kind of sound effect. For example, I want to search for camera clicks. Okay, so you can sort the searches like I am getting 339 sounds as a result of my query. So you can sort the query based on your requirement. Like if you want to see the recent one, most downloaded ones. So I want to go with the most downloaded ones and hit the search button again. So it is going to show me like which are most downloaded. And then you just need to look for Creative Commons. These are the copyright free sound effects. So just click on it. Now you will be seeing only 156 sounds which are related to camera click and are copyright free. So you can click on this play button and hear the music, hear the sound effects, and then make your decision whether you want to download it or not. Okay, so it is very easy, and I think this is going to help you a lot to make your videos more creative and engaging. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this with your friends and uh, keep subscribing my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.